Hey guys, what is up? It is Alicia Jones and I'm back with a new video. In today's video I will be doing short passion twists. So if you want to see how I achieve this style, just keep on watching. I got 3 methods to show you guys. The color I am using is 99J, which is one of my favorite colors to use. Yeah, y'all, so just keep on watching and enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways of how to do short passion twists. So this is the hair I'm going to be using. Now it's the only water wave hair that my black owned beauty supply had. So I got this hair. It's 18 inches, but of course we're going to be cutting it. And then I got some mousse. I got some growth oil by Main Choice, and then I'm going to be using this hydrating sealing butter to put on my hair before I start the twist. And then I got some edge control, scissors, comb, all that good stuff. And as you guys know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know when I do any type of twist style, I part my hair into 4 sections. Okay guys, so basically what you want to do is make sure you put some oil on your rubber band so it can kind of ease the tension on your hair, and make sure you coat them really well. Okay y'all, so I'm going to show you the first method. I already did the back of my hair. I just wanted to get that out of the way first. So what I do is I take 2 to 3, let me squeeze back some. I take 2 to 3 strands of the hair, and then what I do, take it, I wrap it around my finger, and then I separate, comb out the curls just a little bit. Then I go on the other side, wrap it around, run my fingers through it. That's how I get that hair together. Then I'm gonna take this Aunt Jackie's flaxseed, seal it up. It's a hydrating sealing butter. So I take this for my own hair, and I'm going to put that all on my hair, comb it through. And the first method that I'm going to do, well, first I gotta go in with the edge control, and then this is Eben New York, this hair, and I'm going to take a crochet needle and I'm going to slip this underneath my hair. And these are kind of thick. I'm gonna do one at a time. So I'm gonna take that and I'm going to put it on the latch hook, close the latch hook, pull only 1 strand through. So it will look like this, just like that. And then I'm going to repeat for the second strand. Put the hair on the latch hook, close the latch hook, pull only 1 strand through. All right. So as you can see, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my own hair, separate it into 2 pieces, and then separate the crochet hair as well. Okay, and then I'm just going to begin twisting. This is perfect for if you cannot braid. My go-to method is starting with a braid first, which I will show you in a second. But this is perfect for if you cannot braid at all and you can only twist, or if your grip game is not that strong. So I am going to twist this until I get to where I want it to be, and then I'm gonna go on with some more edge control because I do not want my hair sticking out of the twist. And then I'm just going to twist it where I want it to be, which is not very far. This is perfect for if you not braid. And I'm gonna pull one of these out so I can get a measurement. So instead of me braiding all the way down, what I'm going to do is take a rubber band. I already added the edge control, and all I am going to do is just twist. But I'm going to start with the braid first, which is my go-to method. So I'm using my own hair as the 3rd strand, and then I'm going to take my hair, split it, and then I'm going to go with a twist. Now, depending on how you want your twist to look, you are going to twist right over left. I don't know, I could be explaining it wrong because some of my twists do not look how I want them to look, but make sure you add that edge control so your hair doesn't stick out. This is the second method that I like to do. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it if you don't want to do the crochet portion of it, or you just don't want to deal with doing the rubber band or the tension from the rubber band. So you're just going to take a little bit of edge control gel or whatever you want to use, and you're just going to put it over your hair like that. Okay, and what you're going to do for this is just start with a braid and end with a twist. It's really easy once you get the hang of it. I'm used to braiding, so it's a lot easier for me. But if you can't braid at all, then you can go ahead and go in with just the rubber band and the twist method. And then I'm just gonna speed this part up because it's easy to do a twist. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful, and let me know which is your go-to method that you like to use when you do passion twist or spring twist or Marley twist. I've done them all. But which one is your go-to method to do?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.